Good morning, everyone. I'm Ann, back again in the kitchen with you. And this morning, I always love cooking when I'm craving, you guys. And this morning, for me, breakfast tacos. It's a must. Buen día, mis amigos. Me gusta cocinar lo que se me antoja. Y hoy son tacos de desayuno. Empezamos. So the ingredients are super easy, you guys. We have our eggs, of course, tortillas. I'm going to put some onion in mine, cheese, of course, and everything. And I'm going to use chorizo. There's two different kinds, beef or pork. Choose what you want. And homemade salsa and homemade refried beans, of course. And I'll leave links below if you guys want to check out those recipes. Go right ahead. Let's get started. Hi everyone, so we're at the stove now. We're going to go ahead and get the chorizo going. And if you don't want to use chorizo, choose your favorite breakfast meat. Bacon would be fine, chopped up ham, but make it real small. You know, the chorizo is nice and fine once it's cooked up. So if you choose a different kind of meat, just make it really nice and small. So once this chorizo gets cooking, then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions. So you can go ahead and chop up some onions as well. And I'll see you back in a few minutes. Alright everyone, so the chorizo is getting nice and cooked down. I chose beef chorizo. I don't know what kind you guys chose. Did you choose a different kind of meat altogether? Alright, so I'm going to put my few chopped onions in. And I don't want to cook them too much because for me I want to have that little fresh taste to it. But if you prefer your onions to be soft and cooked really well, then that's what you do, okay? Always to your preference. I love cooking with you guys, making me company. I'm so excited to eat breakfast tacos. Love what you cook. Okay. So I wanted to have that little crunch to them still, like a fresh onion. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in a bowl, and then we'll go ahead and start the eggs. Plus we're going to fry it in just a few minutes inside the tortilla anyhow. Okay. You may worry about washing the pan, it's just more flavor. We'll go ahead and put our eggs in. You guys, I always season eggs. Use your go-to seasonings. Don't think eggs don't need them, because they do. I always like garlic, onion, pepper, herb. I season these puppies up. Okay, I'm going to turn my oven up a little. Stove. What's the oven? This is stove. Okay, of course it's all about your favorite cheese as well. I'm going to put that in now. You like them cheesy? Add more. Okay, so we're just going to wait till these get cooked, and then I'll see you in a minute. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, the eggs, you see, nice and done. Cheesy, of course, the way I love them. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the chorizo and onions. I'm going to stir this up. We're almost ready, you guys, before we know it. So I'll stir this up really good. And while you guys are doing that, go ahead and put your tortillas in the microwave. Put them in there till they're nice and soft so that we can fold them in half and get them ready to fry after we get our ingredients in. So I'll see you in just a minute, guys. Alright, so we've got our ingredients done. We're into the assembly part. I'm going ahead and putting the refried beans first. And now here's our chorizo yummy scrambled egg mix. We'll add on top. Once we get them all put together, we will go fry them up. And one more. So easy, you guys. It's really quick and easy. It's so yummy. What a wonderful way to start your day off. Yummy breakfast. Keep you energized. energized all day. Whatever you got planned next. Okay, so here's our little tacos. Let's go fry them off. See you at the stove. Alright, we've got our breakfast tacos stuffed, shaped, and ready to fry off. Last step before eating this wonderful breakfast. Alright, let those cook. Let them get crispy on one side and then we'll flip them over on the other side. And we're almost ready, guys. Hang in there. Alright, everyone. They are getting good and ready. I'm flipping them over. First side's done. Nice and crispy. Flip them over. You're smelling yummy too. Are you getting hungry? We're almost there. Almost done. Flip them all over. Let them cook on that side. And then we're going to dish them up. Eat them with our salsa and sour cream. See you guys in just a minute. Gracias a todos por cocinar conmigo hoy. We are done, everyone. It's time to eat your wonderful breakfast tacos. I hope you like them. I hope you enjoyed spending the morning with me today. And please remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video, whatever my craving might be.